Hi, in this video I'm going to be doing an example of how to convert molecules to grams. Right here I got 7.2 times 10 to the 24 molecules of N2, and I want to convert this to grams, but there's no one way to do it. There's no one conversion factor. In order to do this, I got to convert molecules to moles, kind of like when in doubt, mole it out. So converting to moles means I got to put it on top of my conversion factor, and I put what I'm getting rid of on the bottom of my conversion factor. It's easier to deal with 1 mole. That way we already have that memorized, or it's on this conversion sheet. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules are in 1 mole. And instead of just pressing the equal sign right away, it's maybe not at first, but eventually take IB chemistry or AP chemistry, it's much easier to do conversion factor after conversion factor because the problems get a little lengthy. So I'm going to demonstrate that. And we're converting it to grams, so grams goes on top and moles goes on the bottom. It's easier to deal with just 1 mole. Then we just got to find the molar mass by adding up the atomic masses of our molecule that we're looking for, in this case N2. Alright, so in order to find molar mass, we look at our periodic table. We find nitrogen, it's about 14.0. So I'm going to type in 14.0, but I've got 2 of them, so I got to multiply that by 2, which is 28. So my molar mass of nitrogen is 28 grams per 1 mole. Molecules cancels out because here it's on the top, here it's on the bottom. Moles cancels out because it's on the top, here it's on the bottom. That leaves me with grams as my final unit, which is what I want. So after that, I'm going to take my handy dandy calculator out, because we always bring our calculator to chemistry class. 7.2 times 10 is best represented by the EE button, which is right above the 7. And then I'm going to type in the exponent, which is 24. Don't need to type in any times 10 or any of that. Just 7.2, the EE button, and then 24. Times it by 1, divided by 6.02, EE button, 23. Let's enter. Times it by 28, divided by 1, gives me a total of 334.88 grams, but we want to do sig fig rounding. So we go back to our original number, and we have 1, 2 significant figures. So this is going to be rounded to 330 grams of N2. And that is how you convert molecules to grams.